The oil pressure warning light is one of the most critical indicators on your dashboard. Statistics show that 15 to 20% of all engine breakdowns are directly linked to oil pressure issues. If the warning light persists after an oil change, never ignore it. Your first step is to verify the oil level and condition using the dipstick, ensuring it matches the manufacturer's specifications. Next, perform a visual inspection. Check the oil filter for proper installation and seal integrity. Look for any visible oil leaks and inspect the wiring connections to the oil pressure sensor. Use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve fault codes. Common oil pressure codes include P520 through P0523. Monitor live data for oil pressure readings and sensor voltage output. Test the oil pressure sensor resistance, which typically ranges from 10 to 180 ohms. Verify that the ECU provides a 5-volt reference voltage to the sensor. Understanding the common causes helps with diagnosis. Faulty sensors account for 60% of cases. Oil system problems like incorrect viscosity represent 25%. Mechanical issues such as worn oil pumps make up 10%, and electronic or software glitches account for the remaining 5%. Remember, proper diagnosis is essential. Never ignore a persistent oil pressure warning light, as it could prevent catastrophic engine damage. The most common method to reset an oil pressure warning light is the battery disconnect procedure. This clears the vehicle's computer memory and often resolves false warnings. For more advanced diagnostics, use an OBD2 scanner to clear fault codes and perform ECU adaptation procedures. This method provides more precise control over the reset process. Prevention is always better than repair. Regular maintenance using the correct oil grade and quality filters prevents most oil pressure warning issues from occurring in the first place. For persistent warnings, seek professional diagnosis promptly. Oil pressure sensors should be replaced every 100,000 to 150,000 miles as preventive maintenance. Never ignore continuous oil pressure warnings. Driving with genuine low oil pressure can cause catastrophic engine failure within minutes, resulting in repair costs between $4,000 and $8,000.